shout out to all my people out there. How you guys doing? I just wanted to come through and I wanted to say muchas gracias and thank all the fans out there from the bottom of my heart. Because if it was for you guys, there'd be no me. So as you guys know, that I've been working on beats every other day. Been making new beats, sitting here, taking my time, taking all my effort, working on all these beats. Now everybody's probably wondering why I'm making these beats, why I'm sharing it with everybody. Because I told you guys before, not too long ago, I'll be producing for the first time ever in world history. I'll be producing my second album. I only produced one album and made my own beats on my own album, one album in my whole life. You know what I mean? And here we are on the second one, about to produce every beat made by me. You know what I mean? Every song's gonna be produced and recorded by me on this next album I'll be doing. I haven't even came up with a title yet, you know what I'm saying? But it's gonna be a big major album, so be on the lookout for that. Right now, I just got done releasing that Walk With Me. Still got a few more tracks to record on that, and then that will be done and then be on the way. A lot of people keep asking me about Spotify, you know, Apple Music and all that. I'm working on all my music, every single album, every single song that I've ever done. It will be all uploaded on there soon. You know what I mean? I'm just really busy right now. I'm still new to all this stuff, so, you know, just bear with me. Anyways, I wanted to give a shout out to all my people, my manager, Quan Shine Entertainment, shout out to you. And, you know what I'm saying, be on the lookout for all new Criminal P stuff coming. So I'm going to play this beat. I hope you all enjoy it. And then I'll see you guys on the next one. So we're about to get into it right now. So I hope you guys enjoy it, all right? So here we go. I'll let you guys show you guys the beat. It's going to play right now. Yep, Southside Music Productions, Criminal P, new soul album, coming soon. Right now, I'm just doing the beats, and then you're gonna be seeing me more and more and more. Like I said, I'm gonna take my time on this new album I'm been working on, exclusively here live in the studio, making my own beats and producing my own shit. Yeah, so that's how I do it. I just wanted to share with you guys. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys more and more. More days coming with your homeboy Criminal P, producing and making his own beats. I'm here live at my motherfucking house, in my room, my own studio, got set up, and I'm making and producing and recording my own beats. So you people out there talking, running your goddamn mouths, shut the fuck up, because you ain't doing what I'm doing. That's all I'm gonna say about that. But your homeboy Criminal P on the good one right here. Live, working on new beats. Be on the lookout for the new Soda album. Gonna be produced and recorded and mastered by me. Every single song I'll be doing. So this is a big empire. Your homeboy Criminal P making big things and making big moves, and that's how we do, homie. So like I said before, be on the lookout for new Criminal P new solo album coming soon. Alright? And that's how we do it. I'm tired of all this. People talking. All you people on social media need to wake the hell up. Because you guys need to keep your eyes open. Because I'm telling you right now, I'm messing around no more. I'm not listening to this. I'm really here and I'm really doing something. And like I said before, I'll be putting my Cash App and I'll be putting my email up if you guys want to purchase or buy any of my beats. I'll work with you, you know what I'm saying? But I'm going to tell you right now, a deal is a deal, and I ask for no donations. I ain't ask for no money. I'm just asking you, if you really, really want like my beats, and you want to purchase them, get at me, DM me, or message me on Facebook, Messenger, or you can email me, or you can hit me up on Cash App. Your homeboy Criminal P on the good one, that's how we do it, baby. God bless everybody out there, stay safe. And your homeboy Criminal P, Southside Music Productions, new solo album on the way. And that's how we do it. Be on the lookout for Can't Keep a Good Man Down and Walking Me. 2 new albums coming August 2025. Shout out to everybody out there. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. And that's how we do it on this Monday night. Stay safe. God bless. Like West.